Correct answer is option B. Did you get that? Let's see the solution. The right-hand side of equation contains sine of x minus alpha. Also, denominator contains the same term. So we will try to express sine of x in terms of sine of x minus alpha. Substituting the value of sine x and later dividing the numerator with denominator. After integration, we will compare our equation with the original one. The equating the coefficient of x and coefficient of log term, we get a as cosine of alpha and b as sine of alpha. Your next problem is as follows. Let's see if you get this right. Correct answer is option D. Did you get that? Let's see the solution. We will first open the square term of numerator because upon doing that, we will get the term 1 plus square of log x, which is same as denominator. Later we can do the division. Now let's substitute log of x with t. Differentiating this equation, we get dx equals e to the power t dt. Now using standard formula, which is integral of product of e to the power of x and sum of f of x and f dash x equals product of e to the power of x and f of x plus some constant. Here in this equation we have f of x as 1 over sum of 1 and square of t, while f dash of x is minus 2t over square of sum of 1 and square of t. Your next problem is as follows. Let's see if you get this right. Correct answer is option C. Did you get that? Let's see the solution. Since we already know the value of integral of f of x, we will try to simplify f of x cubed in terms of f of x then. Since we got the result as integral of product of y and f of y, also all of the options in question have the integral sign, and we know if we use by parts formula we get another integral sign. So let's do that. After by parts, replace integral of f of y dy with psi of y. Your next problem is as follows. Let's see if you get this right. Correct answer is option D. Did you get that? Let's see the solution. Problem of equation looks like our standard formula. So we will keep e to the power of x outside the bracket and take e to the power of 1 over x inside. These three terms in the bracket now should be sum of f of x and f dash x. If we take the middle term, that is product of x and e to the power of 1 over x as f of x, then we observed that other two terms forms the derivative of f of x. So now let's apply our standard form. Your next problem is as follows. Let's see if you get this right. Correct answer is option B. Did you get that? Let's see the solution. We know that power of x reduces by 1 when we differentiate. Here in this equation, numerator is x to the power minus 2 dx, while power of x in denominator is 4. So the difference is 6. What if we take x to the power 4 common from denominator? We get difference in power as 1. After substituting 1 plus x to the power minus 4 as y, we can easily solve the integral. Thank you. Please share and subscribe our channel. Click on the icon located at bottom right corner. For any query, comment us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.